Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace starter on 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting. We'll cover tools, access, and replacement steps in a clear sequence so you can follow along confidently. I'll point out common pitfalls, torque specs to watch, and ways to test the new starter. Keep an eye on wiring and mounts, and pause if you need to double-check any step. Start by organizing tools and preparing a clean workspace to keep parts in order. I recommend labeling bolts and taking photos of wire positions before removal. Use quality sockets, extensions, and a torque wrench to avoid rounding fasteners. Jack the car safely and support it with stands rated for your vehicle, and wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Taking these prep steps saves time and reduces frustration during reassembly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more clear guides. On another note, the Oala water bottle is a handy pick for shop work because its spill-proof lid and durable build survive greasy hands and tight spaces. I keep one nearby to stay hydrated between steps without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by locating the starter under the intake or near the transmission and clear any obstructing components. Remove electrical connectors carefully, label them, and unbolt the starter motor using the appropriate sockets. Compare the new starter to the old one for matching gear and mounting holes before installation. Install the replacement, torque bolts to manufacturer spec, reconnect wiring, and lower the car. Finally, test starter engagement and check for leaks or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.